Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
what is on-page SEO. Now let's get started. On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, is the process of optimizing individual web pages to rank higher in search engines and improve their overall visibility. Now, let's dive into the details. Which elements are optimized in on-page SEO, and how? Number 1. Keyword research. Conducting thorough keyword research to identify relevant and high-traffic keywords. Number 2. Optimized title tags. Writing unique, descriptive, and keyword-rich title tags for each web page. But, how to optimize title tag? Number 1. Keep it concise. Limit the title tag to 55 to 60 characters, including spaces. Number 2. Use relevant keywords. Include the primary keyword or phrase, but avoid keyword stuffing. Number 3. Make it descriptive. Accurately summarize the content of the web page. Number 4. Use a consistent format. Establish a consistent title tag format throughout the website. Number 5. Avoid duplication. Ensure each title tag is unique and not duplicated across the website. Number 6. Use a pipe or hyphen symbol. Separate the brand name from the descriptive text using a pipe or hyphen. Number 7. Avoid stop words. Omit stop words, such as the, and a, unless essential for clarity. Number 8. Use title case. Capitalize the first letter of each major word. Number 9. Test and refine. Analyze title tag performance using tools like Google Search Console and refine as needed. Example of optimized title tags. Ideal title tags should be limited to 55 to 60 characters and include primary keywords. It's also recommended to use pipes and hyphen symbol to separate words, rather than using title tags that exceed the 55 to 60 character limit and omit these separators, resulting in poor readability. This is clear in this picture. Number 3. Meta descriptions. Writing compelling and informative meta descriptions to entice users to click through. But, how to optimize? Number 1. Keep it concise. Limit the meta description to 155 to 160 characters, including spaces. Number 2. Use relevant keywords. Include the primary keyword or phrase, but avoid keyword stuffing. Number 3. Make it descriptive. Accurately summarize the content of the web page. Number 4. Use a consistent format. Establish a consistent meta description format throughout the website. Number 5. Avoid duplication. Ensure each meta description is unique and not duplicated across the website. Let's show you some examples. Take a look at this picture, which demonstrates how meta description can be optimized. However, this particular picture shows the meta description is not optimized. Number 4. Header tags. Organizing content using header tags H1, H2, H3, etc. to structure and highlight important keywords. How can I optimize? Number 1. Use a clear hierarchy. Use H1 for the main title, H2 for subheadings, and H3, H6 for sub-subheadings. This is clear visible in this picture. Number 2. Make them descriptive. Use keywords and phrases that accurately describe the content. Number 3. Use them consistently. Establish a consistent header tag structure throughout the website. Number 4. Limit H1 tags. Use only one H1 tag per page. Number 5. Content optimization. Writing high-quality, engaging, and keyword-rich content that provides value to users. Incorporate keywords naturally, but avoid keyword stuffing. Optimized content length of 500 to 2000 words. Number 6. URL structure. Creating clean, descriptive, and keyword-rich URLs for each web page. But, how can we optimize? 1. Use descriptive URLs. Include keywords and phrases that accurately describe the content. 2. Keep URLs concise. Limit URLs to 50 to 60 characters. 3. Use hyphens. Separate words with hyphens instead of underscores. 4. Avoid unnecessary characters. Remove unnecessary characters, such as numbers and special character. Number 7. Image optimization. Optimizing images by adding descriptive alt tags, file names, and compressing images to reduce file size. But, how can we optimize? 1. Use descriptive alt tags. Include keywords and phrases that accurately describe the image. 2. Use descriptive file names. Include keywords and phrases that accurately describe the image. 3. Compress images. Reduce image file size to improve page speed.
Like my video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.